Kevin loves video games, and he wants to capitalize on his hobby. Now, it's made possible by The Abyss, a next-generation digital distribution game platform. Kevin got registered on the platform and invited his friends using his referral link. They improved their characters by purchasing swords, armor, and other items, and our guy is rewarded Abyss tokens for that, readily changeable for the Abyss in-game shop discounts, while fiat money is also acceptable on the platform. Kevin's friends invite their friends and they invite theirs, and so on until they reach 5 levels. Expanding referral networks brings even more tokens. Kevin also participates in our motivational program. He makes video streams and writes about video games. He gets likes for his activities and earns Abyss tokens along the way. And sometimes he completes tasks for the developers for rewards. Want to be like Kevin? Join the Abyss digital distribution game platform now and